Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, as with the previous video from the Swan Cell filler fountain pen, the same customer also noticed this particular pen here. As you can see, lovely colour. To be quite honest with you, doesn't need a great lot of work doing to it. And this is the pen in question. So this is the second pen the same customer had reserved, subject to restoration. When I say restoration, as I said, this particular pen did not need, well, I've given it a lovely polish, I've cleaned out the feed, etc., the nib. As I said, didn't need a lot doing. It's in absolutely gorgeous condition. And what we have for you here, nice and simply, is it's a Anni 770 red Delta fountain pen. Now this particular pen made by Delta. Now Delta made obviously pens made from Italy. Delta, I believe they started making pens sort of early 1980s and went through to approximately, I believe, 2017. And as I say, Delta made some gorgeous fountain pens, as you would expect from pens being made in Italy. Now, as I say, I think they went out of business around about 2017, but I'm not too sure. I believe the Delta name or the pens, etc., have sort of, you know, they've been, if you like, resurrected, the name and the pens, by the Mayora Pen Company in 2022, I believe. So yeah, hopefully they'll start making more pens. But I don't know a great deal about these pens. As I say, it's a Delta pen made in Italy. This is the Anni 70. It's in this gorgeous red colour. I believe they made them also in sort of black, orange, ivory, lavender and a brown colour. You can see to the very top there, it's got this slightly sort of, well, yeah, like a translucent top to the very top there. Very attractive. Okay, the size of the pen capped is around about 124mm capped. It's got a slight taper on the barrel, but on the thickest end it's around about 12mm in diameter. It's made in what they termed as a special resin. Where have we heard that one before? Special resin. But either way, as I say, a gorgeous pen, gorgeous colour. It's got sort of a ring down to the bottom of the barrel there. It's got sort of, well, it's not actually chrome, it's actually palladium plated trim. So you've got a ring to the bottom there. You've got these two cap rings to the bottom of the cap and this lovely, as I say, palladium plated clip. There's a sideways view. So very, very interesting. I love the colour actually. But as I say, this one, along with the Swan we've done a review of, has been reserved by the same customer. So these will be ready to be shipped to him very soon. The pen has got no filler inside. There we go, it comes like that. Presumably Delta don't make their own cartridges, converters, but in fact, if I've got it somewhere here, it says here, it actually came with a, I think it's, yeah, a Montegrappa cartridge. So I'm assuming the Montegrappa cartridges or converters will fit this pen. Let's show you the section. Quite a small section, tapers slightly towards the nib. It's got a lovely stainless steel nib, and the nice thing I like about these Italian pens is if you look at the nib there at the shoulders, it's actually quite a wide nib, and it's got this lovely sort of engraving on it. It's got a couple of symbols to the centre there, but all in all, a very nice nib. There's a sideways view. There's the feed underneath. Okay, as you can see, everything is lovely and cleaned. I've cleaned everything, and as I say, it's like a brand new pen. Although it's a small and stubby pen, it's still quite comfortable to hold. What we'll do, I'm not going to fill it for obvious reasons, it's no refill, but let's just do a dip test. So what we've got is a Anni 70 red Delta fountain pen, and I believe this particular series of pens was made to celebrate the anniversary of the era of the 70s, hence maybe what the Anni stands for, maybe anniversary. As I said, I'm not too familiar with these pens, but all I can say, it's in beautiful condition. It's writing very nicely indeed, and made in Italy by the Delta company. Writing, I would say, with a medium line, writing very nicely indeed, as you would expect from a quality made Italian fountain pen. So there we have it. So that's the second pen that has been reserved by the same customer, along with the previous review of the Swan fountain pen. So again, we'll get both of these pens shipped off to the US of A. And there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, don't forget, down below, give that symbol a thumbs up if you will. But I'll just simply say, Slava Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.